Namaskar, this is me Neha Goyal from Neha Goyal Dream Reading and wanted to speak to you a little about your thoughts. So when it comes to your thoughts, we might want to imagine or feel that those are guided by our surroundings, by our environment and what other people do with us, which is true but only 5%. 95% of our thoughts come from how we have been taught to feel and think from our childhood, which is basically while our brain is getting wired. While we are growing up, our brain cells are not yet developed to the extent as they are today. So we have certain neuron systems or certain neuron interceptions that have been created and have become strong so far, which lead to a particular thought process, which then leads to, it has been scientifically proven that thoughts have vibrations which come out of us, and those vibrations attract our situations. So work on your thoughts, work on your core belief systems. This is the work that I do in my workshop, one-on-one on video call respectively, and there is a lot of hand-holding which happens in these sessions also. So in case you are somebody who wants to change your life and not be dependent on what future holds for you, because you can change your future, and it has been, again, this is not something which I'm saying as a utopian concept. It has been proven. There are a lot of people I have done these workshops with, because I pick up only 2 people in a month. What you can expect out of these workshops immediately is a change of thought process. Now, I'm not saying that situations or what you have been facing so far will not happen to you. In either cases, it is happening to you, whether you work on your brain or you don't work on your brain rewiring. But the thing is that when you start working on your brain rewiring, the same situations or the same people or the same things, they stop affecting you as much as they were earlier. And there comes a time when you become an absolute observer and they do not affect you at all. And that is exactly the reason why this soul has decided to incarnate in the form that it has, which is me as Neha Goyal or you as whoever you are, to work on those things. So the situations will still happen no matter what you do. But now, because your brain has been rewired, your core belief system has changed around a particular situation, they will affect you less. When they do not affect you or when they affect you less, people around you start changing because they start seeing the difference that has come in you. So that is what I wanted to speak about this week. If you want to know more about this, and if you want to change your life by rewiring your brain, by working at your core belief systems, and by attracting your best potential life, get in touch with me. Namaskar, Radhe Radhe.